DOWA JUSEYO. DOWA JUSEYO. What does this phrase mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about DOWA JUSEYO. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 289. Our topic for today is actually a phrase, which is DOWA JUSEYO. These two words are composed of 5 syllables in all, namely DOWA JUSEYO. Pronounce it with me. DOWA JUSEYO. DOWA JUSEYO. DOWA JUSEYO is a phrase which is used to say, give me help or help me. The first word DOWA actually came from the word dokta, and it is transformed into DOWA so that we can connect it to JUSEYO. JUSEYO, on the other hand, is used to say, please give me. Again, remember, DOWA came from the word dokta. DOWA is actually the present tense form of dokta. And JUSEYO means please give me. So when we combine DOWA with JUSEYO, it would result to a sentence which means please give me help, or simply just help me, or asking for help. How do you write DOWA JUSEYO in Hangul? Let's start with the first word. For the first word, we have 2 syllables. To be able to write the syllable do in Hangul, we need to draw first a dikot character followed by an o character. For the second syllable wa, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyung, followed by an o character, followed by an a character. That's how we write DOWA in Hangul. For the second word of the phrase, which is JUSEYO, we need to draw first a jiot character followed by an u character for the first syllable too. For the second syllable se, we need to draw first a siot character followed by an e character. For the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyung followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word or the phrase DOWA JUSEYO. And with that, you've just learned DOWA JUSEYO. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 279 to 288. But don't forget what we've studied for today, which is DOWA JUSEYO, which is used to say, give me help or help me. The first word for our review is word number 288. It's 맛있는, which means delicious. Word number 287 is Chingu, which means girlfriend. Word number 286 is Chingu, which means boyfriend. Word number 285 is gasu, which means singer. Word number 284 is bada, which means ocean or sea. Word number 283 is sengson, which means fish. Word number 282 is kwail, which means fruit. Word number 281 is topda, which means to help. Word number 280 is tuta, which means to give. And the last word for our review is word number 279, 화요일, which means Tuesday. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.